RackNap is a cloud services delivery and a billing automation platform used by service providers to deliver the services in a seamless way and be able to bill the customers as well. RackNap caters to both the B2B model as well as B2C model. It helps service providers to be able to deliver the services to end customers and bill them. Plus, it also works with distributors where they will be willing to sell the services via the partner or the reseller base to the end customers. Today, we'll be discussing about the RackNap's integration with Acronis Cloud Backup Services. RackNap is integrated with Acronis Cloud Backup on the prepaid as well as pay-per-use model. So let me walk you through the customer's purchasing journey for Acronis Cloud Backup on the pay-per-use model, where the service providers will offer the flexibility to the end customers to be able to place orders via the marketplace, get the services delivered, and be billed based on their consumption at the end of the month. So this is the marketplace of a service provider, where they are offering a list of products and services. This is a white labeled marketplace. The partners or the service providers will be able to modify it as per their branding guidelines and sell all the products and services that they wish to. I'll simulate the behavior of an end customer who's purchasing Acronis Cloud Backup. So this is the page that has been designed for Acronis Cloud Backup Services. The customers will be able to come here, look at the details that are listed by the service provider, and be able to place the order. So let me just quickly take you to the order page and show you the purchasing journey. This is the order page. The customer will be able to add the username that they want to for their Acronis account. Okay. The service provider can define different billing periods on which they want to offer the services. I'll take the 1 month for an example. And the final checkout page. So as soon as the customer clicks on next, they will be asked to log in if they already have an account with the service provider and if they are transacting the services already. In case of a new customer, they will be able to create an account and sign up as a new customer. I'll take an existing customer from here and I'll just log in on their behalf. Okay. So once the customer logs in, they will be able to see the final checkout page. And since this is Acronis on a pay-per-use model, the order will be placed directly on the next screen. Okay, so this is the final checkout page, and I will place the order now. So once the order is placed, the customer will see the final message that the service billing is based on postpaid model, and the invoice will be generated on 30th of every month. So I'll check out. Okay, now the order is placed. Once the customer has placed the order, they will have the ability, once the order is provisioned and the services will be delivered, the customer will be able to go to their member panel, look at the services, and manage their Acronis account, plus look into their consumption as well. So as they are already logged in, they will be able to go to their account from here directly. I'll just click onto their account. This will take the customer to the self-service panel, where they will be able to manage their service, manage their billing relationship with the service provider, as well as support functions. So the dashboard will give the customer a quick summary about the billing, all the services, whatever have been purchased, and then there are some quick links. So now the services has been provisioned. We can go to the services section to be able to see the new subscription that has been created for the customer. Okay, so this is the Pagey standard plan. This is with today's date, and this will be billed at the end of the month. So if I go to that particular service, it will give the customer all the details around the service, which is the subscription ID, the Azure Acronis tenant ID, the username, the password which is generated, and the customer also has the flexibility to log in from RackNap portal to the Acronis account using single sign-on functionality. So it will take them to their Acronis account where they will be able to go and manage the devices, etc., that are being to be added. So the single sign-on functionality is also enabled. Once the customer adds the devices on their Acronis portal, they will be able to go into the usage report to track the usage for the entire period that they are looking for, or day by day for that particular period as well. So since this is a new subscription, I'll just take another subscription to show the usage report that is being generated from the system. Okay, I'll take an older one. So this is the other plan which was provisioned few days ago. And if I go to see the usage report for the subscription, I'll generate a particular report. So this is the kind of report that is generated for the customer, which gives the details about the tenant type, tenant name, what is the infra name, the quote value, how much consumption, what is the unit of measurement for the quota, etc. So the customer will be able to track their usage from here for the Acronis backup. They can also export these reports. So there are multiple columns available in here as a part of the report, along with their overall effective in terms of trial, etc., and the final price. These can be exported as well. Similarly, they can also refer to the day by day for period. So once this reports comes in here, the customer can see this exported. And at the end of the month, RackNap generates an invoice on behalf of the service provider to the end customer based on their actual consumption in here. Once the invoice is generated, the customer will be able to track those invoices in here and download those invoices, make payments, etc. So that is it for now. For any more details that you may want to know about RackNap and for a detailed demo, please contact us on touch@racknap.com. Thank you.